Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. LangChain v1.0 Orchestration Framework, Episode 10 of 20. If your agent fails silently in production, it is often because you are not watching what happens between the steps of its reasoning loop. The model crashes, the loop breaks, and you are left staring at an incomplete run. Intercepting the agent loop with custom middleware is how you regain control. When an agent runs a react cycle, it constantly hands control back and forth to the language model. Middleware provides hooks to execute your logic exactly when you need it during that exchange. There are two primary types of hooks you will use: node-style hooks and wrap-style hooks. A common mistake is treating them interchangeably. Node-style hooks run sequentially. Wrap-style hooks actually enclose the execution and can catch exceptions. Node-style hooks use decorators named before model and after model. When you attach a before model hook to a function, the framework runs your logic completely and only then triggers the language model API. When the model responds, an after model hook runs. These hooks are excellent for logging the exact prompt sent to the API, injecting context, or stripping bad characters from the final text output. But because they run strictly in sequence, they offer no protection against failures. If the language model API times out, your after model hook never executes. The error bubbles up and crashes the entire agent loop. This is the part that matters. If you need to handle instability, you use a wrap-style hook. The decorator for this is wrap model call. A wrap hook sits entirely around the model execution. Your function runs, performs some setup, and then explicitly yields control to the model. Because your custom code wraps the actual network call, you can place that execution inside standard error handling structures. Consider building a wrap model call middleware to handle API rate limits with an exponential backoff retry loop. You write a function decorated with wrap model call. Inside this function, you create a retry loop. You place the command that hands control to the model inside a try block. If the model succeeds, you catch the response, return it, and the loop finishes. If the model throws an error, your catch block intercepts it. Instead of failing the agent, your catch block triggers a pause. You calculate a short delay, wait, and then let the loop attempt the call again, doubling the delay each time. The agent orchestrator never sees the failures. The middleware catches the exceptions, manages the retry logic in isolation, and smoothly hands a successful response back to the main React loop when it finally succeeds. Node-style hooks prepare the inputs and format the outputs, but wrap-style hooks protect the execution. That is your lot for this one. Catch you next time.